Welcome to this explainer. Today, we're using a lightning-fast cricket swing to unpack your body's biological coordination. Let's dive right in. How exactly does our nervous system react in mere milliseconds to hit that ball? In question 6 of your SPM trial paper, we see neuron P. That's the sensory neuron, gathering incoming information. Next up is neuron Q. This is the motor neuron, firing nerve impulses from the central nervous system to effectors. It's incredibly fast. Eyes detect the ball, sensory neurons alert the brain, and motor neurons instantly trigger your muscles. So, the paper asks, what happens to the player's response if this vital motor neuron pathway gets injured? Without motor neurons, those impulses just stop. The muscles simply cannot contract, meaning the player can't swing the bat. Now, despite doing different jobs, both sensory and motor neurons actually share essential structures, like axons, dendrites, and myelin sheaths. Zooming out to summarize Chapter 12, these neurons build two main networks, the central and peripheral nervous systems. The central nervous system, which includes the brain and spinal cord, is the main integration center coordinating your responses. Meanwhile, the peripheral nervous system is the wiring. It connects sensory receptors and effectors straight back to the CNS. Between these neurons lies a synapse. It's a narrow gap ensuring electrical impulses travel in a strict one-way street. Let's switch to the endocrine system. These are ductless glands secreting chemical hormones directly into your blood flow. For example, your pituitary and thyroid glands release hormones that control your overall growth, body temperature, and daily metabolism. Your pancreas regulates blood sugar levels, while your adrenal glands unleash adrenaline to boost heartbeat during sudden emergency responses. And finally, the testes and ovaries secrete reproductive hormones, driving secondary sexual characteristics and things like uterus repair. Okay, let's wrap up Chapter 12 by directly comparing the nervous system to the endocrine system. The nervous system is built for speed. It uses electrical impulses for quick, short-duration responses in very specific organs. In contrast, the endocrine system uses blood-borne chemical hormones, creating slower but prolonged responses across several different target organs. So, since they're so completely different, how do these two systems perfectly overlap to keep us alive?